All right, now that we got our limit switch out, I'm gonna show you how to test it. Now I've got a 66 and a 67 sitting here on the bench. So we got our meter here, set to ohms, because that's what we're going to be testing for is ohms. Now these are normally closed switches. Now what that means is that when you hook your meter up, you should have a reading, just like that, until you press this plunger. And it goes to open. So that tells us that we have a good limit switch here. Now 66, we're going to test the same way. So we're going to go inside these terminals here. Hook one there. And then we're going to hook one this way. We've got a reading until we press this plunger. It goes to open. Now we're back to reading. Open. Now we're back to reading. So that means this is a good limit switch also. Now, the reason that I offer new switches and recommend replacing them is because these guys are 57, 56 years old, and you see this one's broken out, and they'll get cracks in here that will allow moisture in, and the contacts will corrode. And when that happens, we get a faulty reading, and it will not turn the relay off. Because that's the primary function of these guys, is not only the stop for the buckets, but these turn the relays off for the opening and closing relays, so that they stop feeding power to the motors. So these are the number one cause of failure in the system and motors to be burned up.